In this video, I'll be showing you how you can switch your theme on Duolingo app. So if you want a light or you want a dark one, I'm going to show you guys how you can switch it. It's very simple and easy to do that. On this interface, just tap on your account there at the middle. Good. So it takes you to your account, and now you tap on the settings at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that there. You can see the arrow on your screen. Good. And now we scroll down, scroll, and you can see dark mode. So we have system settings, so you can turn it on. You restart and it's on dark mode. Good. So now my Duolingo app is on dark mode now. Yeah. So that's it on how you switch modes from dark to light and all that. So if you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To switch it off, you just tap on that and you tap on the off and it's going to restart again. Good. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.